How to create splitting text animation. To begin, I added a colored background and a text to my timeline, and I would like to create a splitting text animation. Hold down the Alt key and drag your text to above track to create a duplicate from it. With the duplicate text selected, go to Effect Controls and expand the text and choose a fill color for it. Now click anywhere empty in timeline to unselect everything, then use Pen tool and click in Preview, then hold Shift and click to create a straight line. Then use the Selection tool and reposition the line to be over your text. Go to Effect Controls and expand the shape and uncheck the fill and check the stroke and set the width of stroke to 20. Now select the bottom text and go to Effect Controls and click on the rectangle to create a mask. Then in the preview window, drag the masked handle to cover the bottom part of the text like mine. Now select the text at track V3 and in Effect Controls create another mask and change it to covert the text above the line. Move the playhead a little forward and click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase Position First Value to create the second keyframe. Now click on the triangle to go to the first keyframe and select the bottom text, and in Effect Controls, click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe. Again, select the top text and use Other Triangle to go to the next keyframe, then select the bottom text again and its Position First Value to create the second keyframe. Now our effect is completed. You can use other fonts and colors to create a more beautiful effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.